Good morning, it's your girl Jessica in Jamaica. Wow, everyone's been asking what's going on with this oil that my brilliant husband has made. So I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it. It's made from the Jamaican almonds, which are the rarest almonds in the world. It's hand pressed, the almonds are hand cracked, hand pressed, filtered, and then bottled into the most incredible oil that you've ever had in your life. There's nothing but almonds, nothing but love in it, and it's good for every single one of your body parts. All right, well, that's it. That's Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. Order some today at www.nigelsjamaicanalmondworld.com, or no, come visit us in Negril. Come and get some in Negril. Come to us, come see us, and we'll see you soon. Love you.